This is like low-key illegal, but all our baggages are in the back. And then this is taking up one seat. You can see Hugh Yen is literally sitting on Jenny's seat right now, hanging for dear life. And then Jordan's up there being our interpreter. We're officially here in Macau, and this walking situation is crazy. We have to literally go around just to cross because these cars are cray cray. Wow. That architecture right there. It's so interesting to see Portuguese architecture or Spanish architecture with Asian influence.
Lusty ones?
Do you want to get two?
Sure.
I don't know, but I just don't want this one. This is a random location for it. Wow. Alright, we got the Skullpanda. We're in the taxi, by the way, just going to the Giant Panda Pavilion. This is the Skullpanda. Are you opening the other one?
I'm gonna do it now.
Yeah, do it now. I'm already recording. We're in the car, we're doing it now. Got two here. I just don't want Rhapsody. This one's keeping for myself, so I'm gonna just rip the top. My first.
If I get
Which one do you want? Okay.
Oh, nice. That's a secret, man.
Oh, I got the one you got.
Oh, okay.
But let's see what Addison get.
I got this one.
You got this one. Let's see how pretty they are. I got exactly the same one that Jenny first got.
Now we're twins.
We're twinning. He ended up opening it. He got Daisy. Is that what the one you wanted?
The one I don't want.
Wow. Now you're gonna just have to wait for Jenny to open it. Imagine you got Daisy, then you're like, oh, gotta go back.
I'm just curious if it's the one that I picked or the one that she picked.
Oh,
You can look at it.
Oh, you serious? Same one.
Oh no.
Oh, it's cute though.
Hello. You're so tiny. You're so tiny. Aww. Look at you, little turtle. It's just coming up to breathe. Panda, entrance. Ooh, AC. See? The panda gets better treatment than we do. Wow. Oh my god! Oh, so cute! Oh my god, the way is just sleeping. You can't hear us. Is it gonna poop? It looked like it was motioning to poop. Oh my god, so cute. The way it's eating. Oh, going down. this shakes the butt. Shake that booty. What are you eating? What are you doing? There's no food there. Creator of the egg tart. The dantats have arrived. Very flaky. We're now here in Taipa Food Street. We don't know where we're going for dinner. Oh, that AC. Very refreshing.
All these say sleepy and good.
You can say tired.
Pork knuckle salad, our very few vegetables of this trip.
I'm gonna kill the salad. Go for it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll take it. I'm gonna take it.
Wow, look at that. Jenny, this is all you. Day one. Day one. We have not even gone to Hong Kong yet. Oh, and this is like some.
Some that are very
This is the one from the earlier footage. Skullpanda as well. From the earlier footage.
the cocoa one.
Yeah, and I also got another one because I wanted to see what I was gonna get because I'm gambling too. And then this one because it was a cat, I got caught. And then this one because I wanted to use my cash and I had enough, kind of. So I use this. I hope I get the cat one. One of these have cats in there. And these giant ass Dimoo World. Because they both got daisies. They were like, you know what? Let's all get our own. And then Huyen fell FOMO, and then Jordan fell FOMO. So now they all want it. And then they were like, you know what? Just get the damn set.
Ready to open 6 daisies?
That's not. It's like guaranteed 6 different ones. No repetitions. Let's do this. Oh, so it's not ready. I'll just get the little pieces for it. Okay, Jordan here. All the all we want.
Are we gonna open it?
Open all of them and see which one you want.
Are we opening it?
We only open from the bottom if you plan on reselling it, right?
Oh, we're not reselling it.
So just open.
Okay, that's
You're wearing it to Disney too. Well, he's like so confused. Like, do I open it from the bottom or what?
Yeah.
No, you're not selling it, right? So you do it from
Why
the top.
not?
okay.
Sell it.
You would do it first, 'cause you're
Oh, okay.
So what am I gonna do? Leave it on the table, laying around?
So you open the bag, and then we don't look at the card yet.
You already know what it is.
Should I open the
Let's open the bag. Yeah. I'm not really gonna sell it.
Oh,
Wait.
This
is weird.
This is chicken dance, the one that I wanted.
Jenny wants it.
Okay, so that was Jenny.
Okay.
Okay, I guess what
I need to get a feel which.
Look at it. He's into it.
Okay, I'm
He's
not gonna
into
sell
it.
it.
He's not gonna sell it. He's gonna do it. He's into it. Wait, isn't there like a thing to rip?
Yes.
Oh yeah, this.
Noob.
Not yet.
Not yet. We're all taking
No,
turns.
I mean I tried to
There's a little communal experience here.
watch.
Let's see if anyone gets a
Did
secret.
I mess it up?
No, just open it.
Smash.
Doesn't matter.
Don't
You're
even
keeping
look
it,
for
so
the
you don't
card.
care about the
Just
box.
take bag out, and
Yeah,
open it.
just
See the bag out. Open it.
Don't look at it. Don't look at it.
Here you did.
I don't even know what.
Oh no, no, it's not even showing.
Okay.
Let's do it.
Oh wait.
Open it.
Open it.
Oh, it's over here.
You suck. Calligraphy major my
Why
butt.
are you guys so serious?
Oh.
That one's this real? Is that
Goofy, that's the one I wanted. Yeah.
You're just like, I'm taking it.
Okay, okay.
Oh my god.
Oh, that's cute.
Is that Pluto? No.
No, Pluto would be
Alright, Jenny's
little
next.
puppy one.
This one is
Oh.
the one that we all want. That we all want.
Oh no. Oh.
Oh my god.
Okay.
I think I want blue.
Oh, I already claimed
Now
that
you get
one.
Daisy.
Getting Daisy.
Remember to
See? Yeah, when you get these, you have to make sure you keep the card.
Get them.
It's just as important. Your turn. Yo, your feed is gonna be on the internet. No one wants to see that shit. No one's paying for it.
Come on, secret.
You want to see? Oh,
That's mine.
That's Minnie.
Two.
Minnie or Mickey?
It's
Minnie.
Minnie. It's Minnie.
So is this one supposed to be a girl or a boy?
Open yours.
Oh, no.
I mean, Dino's a boy.
Dimu's a boy, but like having Minnie Mouse is female. So are you like?
Or Daisy.
If there's 6 between the 4 of you, is someone keeping 2?
Yeah, so it's gonna be 2, but then.
Oh,
see,
Wow.
So you have to open it. Because we know it's yours.
We'll see. Is it a Pluto?
Oh, it's
It is.
Oh.
It's cute.
It's so small.
We have all of them except for the secret here. Alright. He's opened. We finally are opening them. We've only opened the box and got the cards out. Now we're actually looking at the actual Labubus. What are you doing? Are you looking at the resale value?
No.
Then what are you looking at? Show me. Show the camera.
Don't look at me!
No! This is the true reason why he's unboxing. He wants to know the resale value of Scalper.
Curious how much the macaroons are going for now.
Because he wants to know how much value they're going for. Well, newsflash, it's only a value if you sell it.
I'm looking for the secret, actually.
You don't have the secret, though.
I can buy it.
That's called addiction. Fail.
This is what I deal with. Her.
Jenny be judging. She's like a pro by now. She's like, oh, amateur. It's lighter than I thought.
Yeah. It's a little lighter than I expected. I thought it would be darker.
Yeah, the photo. Look at this.
The darker, that's why, like,
Look at this. Put it next.
Confused.
Flip it to the camera.
secret.
Flip it for the camera.
What?
This is a different color. Yo, this is quality control. We need to go back.
What?
Oh, cute.
Oh, this is so cute.
I like wanted the CC because it had like the flush cheeks and the orange nose, and like it's soft.
It's just on
Because it's like the difference. I mean, they both feel soft. This actually feels softer than I thought. I thought it would feel like woolly,
Oh, yeah.
like very woolly.
I
This
like,
one's
I
like
like
very
this one.
Of course you do.
Yeah.
You have this one?
It's like,
No, I've seen it.
Yeah, that's pretty.
I've seen people unbox it.
Oh, that's cute. I like this one.
Wait, is this the one where the eyes move? Do the eyes move? No, let me not break it.
no, this is
Yeah.
the one.
Aesthetically, I like to have a seat more.
Mm-hmm.
I opened
It's
the
just
big
so
one.
precious.
I just like the pastel colors in general. Like this is
Oh, I
just
like
like
this one.
it gives rough. Like when I looked at this, I thought of like, oh, it feels like wool, but no, it's soft.
You put
It's softer than it
costumes
looks. It also looks kind of creepy. This is like cute. This is like creepy.
on. Lychee berry. Oh. Yeah, it looks like it.
It's my food grade.
See, this is what I mean. This should look like the photo. Not this.
Not
shit
bamboozled.
Right here. This is La Fufu.
Oh, it's got heart eyes. I just
Yeah,
noticed.
that's why I like it. Oh, it's a little bit long.
Everyone wants that one.
Actual keychain card is like matching with the colors too. So these are ones we're keeping. And I like that at least it's on the bottom. This is not in the way. So if I wanted to fold it away like that.
Labubu. Dimoo.
Poser!
Is this gonna be like the
Thumbnail?
the cover? Yeah.
Maybe.
Journey is expected to take about 1 hour. For your own safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened throughout the voyage. Please review the apprenticeship procedure card in the pocket